Alrighty, we're back, and the top part of our new air filtration unit just finished printing. Here's the air filtration unit. Here is the top. Turn it on. Now you can, I don't know, I can actually feel the air coming out of there, and you can hear it. But it sounds like they died down a little bit. Well, let's take it apart and see what's going on. So to test all these, I just went ahead and tried to blow through all the holes manually, and so far no issues with air coming through them. The amount of volume I'm pushing out of these fans, these channels are a bit on the thin side. I could easily triple that and make this by making this twice as thick. And the problem is, this is fine. So something happened with this vent, and I think I figured out why. So while I was designing this, I added an extra tolerance for the filter because the filter was supposed to only be a 25 mil filter and ended up being more like a 30. So when I changed the dimension here to accommodate a 30 millimeter filter, somehow the dimension in here changed and these channels did not connect to the bottom anymore. That's why this airflow was not going here and why this fan sounded like it was suffocating to death when I put the top on. Because essentially it was. I was closing off all airflow. This guy is doing pretty good over here pulling, but like I said, I believe the channels are too small to grasp how much air is actually being kicked out of these. Not that you'll ever have this system on a maximum airflow, but we want to keep our safe balance here. So unfortunately, we're going to have to reprint this whole thing. So what we're going to do is, the bottom of this is a 10 mil thickness with our channels being 5. I'm going to make the channels, I'm going to double this bottom thickness to 20, and I'm going to drop these channels down another 10. So I'm going to triple the amount of channel depth. So this is currently set to 5 in here, and this is going to be made to 15. And this is going to be the same. So honestly, I should go back and widen these out so that way they're not getting a 15, dropping down to a 5, and then going back to a 15. So I got to go back in my CAD, and I'm going to redo these to make these a little bit wider so we can accomplish this better. But as you can see, Mr. K3 Max is not wanting to wait, but it's going to have to because I got to redo this model real quick. Alright, going back into my CAD software here, these right here are the tunnels that go all the way down. So there they are, going all the way through. But I want to make these a little thicker because as you can see on the bottom, this is a lot deeper than this channel is here. Even though I have it chamfered, it's not really doing a whole lot. So we need to change that. Back wall is... There we go. So it seems like this is already 10. We're just going to go ahead and do 15. This is calculated according to the center, so I don't have to move it either direction. Refinish it. It will re-extrude it. Go back into our cross-section analysis, and now as you can see, we have a lot thicker channel for allowing our airway, and this will work out very much to our advantage. And if you want a little sneak peek of kind of what this would look like on a P1S or X1C, this is a very rough guesstimate of the size of the machine, and this is about how big it would sit on top. And after everything is sliced and done, 600 grams, 23 hours and 12 minutes. See you guys tomorrow with the final.